$100 at 200 Central, St. Pete, Florida. Oh, there's Scenic? We're gonna have to look at that on the way down. I didn't even realize. Let's get a quick cab view up here. We're only going to take one ride because security is kind of tight in this place. Oh, they're going up already. Here's your certificate. Let's just film going down. We're at 21.
Feeling, yes, better, not perfect, but definitely better. Thank you. I think the worst is behind me. Sorry, the first party, okay?